Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to fix widescreen error in Roblox. First, we gotta make sure that all extensions related to Roblox, like ad blocker or the extensions that work with Roblox, are disabled. So we go to manage extensions right here in Chrome and we search for some extension that may be working with Roblox. Then we go to the task manager and in the process sections we close resource programs that includes other game, for example Adobe applications, Steam or Discord. Every application that relates to another game and use a lot of CPU and memory should be deleted. Now on the search bar we search for device manager and we make sure that all drivers are updated. So right here in device manager we right click this option and we make sure that all drivers are updated. So we just follow the steps that you are seeing right here on the screen, and as you can see my drivers are updated, are to date. But if you're not, you just click install and automatically it's going to be updated. Now what we have to do is to go to settings from our computer. Here we click on system and here on system we go to the display window. On the display window we scroll down and we click right here on graphic settings. So in here in graphic settings we click browse and we have to search for the Roblox application. So we click right here on our CPU, our computer, our data. We click on users, the user of our name, local, app data, and here we search for Roblox. So once we find this carpet of Roblox, as you can see here, you have to follow these steps. We just click on the first carpet and then all we gotta do is to switch this to high performance. This is really simple. So now Roblox should be running a lot much smoother. Now the last step, if this is a compatibility problem, we have to go to this Roblox application and we open the folder where is Roblox in. So once we are here, we just right click here on this Roblox game and we go to properties. Here on properties we go to compatibility. And if this is a compatibility problem, we have to make sure that this box right here is ticked. And here we can select Windows 8 or Windows 7, depends on what Windows you have. I recommend Windows 8. And we make sure that these two boxes down here are enabled. This is really important. So once we check that, we go to apply, OK, and it should be done. So if we followed all these steps, Roblox should be running smoothly and we shouldn't have any problem. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please comment, like and subscribe.